Invoices and cash sheets work by creating a separate list of line items, or what we call invoice sheets, for each of your clients. So an invoice sheet holds multiple invoices for that client. They allow you to email or print a single invoice based on the invoice ID number. Say you need to invoice a new client. To get started, click Create Client and enter their information. All items on the form appear on the invoices. I'll fill this one out. This field displays a line on the invoice that asks for payment within the number of days. As an example, I'll enter 30. This field displays an additional line on the invoice of your choosing. For this, I'll enter Please pay via PayPal. When done, click Create. If you misspell, click Edit. To view the invoice sheet, click on the client's name. Invoice sheets allow you to search by date range or invoice ID number. To see it in action, I'll add a couple of line items for a new invoice. First, enter a date for each line item, normally the same date. For now, leave the invoice ID blank because it will be entered automatically. Enter a description for the line items. Enter quantities as whole numbers. Enter the unit cost for each line item. Leave the amounts blank because they will be calculated automatically. When done, click Save Data. Now the invoice sheet assigns an invoice ID and shows the total amount invoiced. If you want to change the invoice ID, you can. It just needs to be a whole number. For example, I'll change this to 125. Now the next invoice ID will automatically be 126. To print or email, enter the invoice ID in this field, then click Load. To email it to yourself, click here. Or to convert it to PDF, click here. So that's invoices. Have questions? Please email us at support@cashsheets.com.